most important thing about us selling the house was the price that we got for it, as we're selling this home to buy our next family home. One of the fears we had was selling a house through COVID, but with the virtual tours, that was fine. And another fear we had was obviously not getting the price we want, but with Joe's help, we were happy with the outcome. In our instant, a virtual tour was great because COVID and restrictions hit again, so we didn't have the opportunity to have an open house. So if you do have the choice to have a virtual tour, I highly recommend it. Considering this is the first house that we have sold, the outcome was great. It was fast, and we didn't even need to have an open house. We just had a virtual, and the house was sold within 2 weeks. I would highly recommend Joe, definitely a 10 out of 10, as she was awesome with communication, always kept me in the loop, always called me, and we got the result that we were looking for.